Good day, math learners! Welcome to our new video lesson, which is factoring perfect square trinomial. Pag sinabi nating perfect square number, naaalala pa? Ito yung product na kapag minultiply natin yung dalawang magkaparehong number. Halimbawa, 25 is a perfect square number. Kasi 5 times 5 is 25. 49 is another perfect square number. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay? Next, we have trinomial. Pag sinabi nating trinomial, ito yung meron tayong 3 terms na merong dalawang operasyong nagse-separate sa kanila. Ayun ang tinatawag na trinomials. Recall natin ang square of binomials bago tayo mag-proceed sa perfect square trinomial. Kasi sabi natin, factoring is the reverse process of multiplication. Okay? So dito, we have squared of a plus b that is equal to a squared. 8 times a is a squared. 2 times a times b is 2ab. Then squared the last term that is b squared. Okay? Kapag naman ang given natin is a minus b squared, okay? So, a times a is a squared. 2 times a times negative b, that is negative 2ab. Then b squared, that is b squared. Okay? So, this is perfect square trinomial. Ang magiging factor naman natin ay ganito. Okay? Let us have Step 1. Kailangan ma-identify muna natin kung ang given trinomial is perfect square trinomial or not. Okay? Condition. Ito daw yung condition. Una, kailangan ang first and third term natin are perfect square. Ito yung first term. Ito yung last term natin or yung third term, kailangan perfect square sila. Or perfect square number, okay? Na kapag minultiply natin yung dalawang magkaparehong number, ito ang magiging sagot. Okay? So, this is our first condition. So, tignan natin. X squared, perfect square siya kasi x times x is x squared. Ganon din ang 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So, therefore, nag-satisfy yung ating first condition. Second condition, the middle term must be twice the product of the square root of the first and the third term. Okay? So, ito yung middle term natin, 8x. Try natin. So, ito daw, square root daw ng ating x squared, that is x. Square root ng 16, that is 4. Twice the product of the square root nila. So, 2, meron tayong 2 dito sa unahan kasi ibig sabihin ng twice times 2. So, 2 times x, 2x times 4 is 8x. So, nag-satisfy na naman tayo dun sa ating second condition. So, therefore, ang ating given trinomial is perfect square trinomial. So, proceed na tayo dun sa factoring. Na ang magiging sagot lang natin ay square of binomial. So, gagawa lang ng parenthesis na meron tayong squared sa labas ng ating parenthesis. So, kunin lang natin ang square root ng x squared, that is x, square root ng 16, that is 4, then kopyahin natin yung sign ng ating middle term. Ito yung sign ng ating middle term positive, kaya naging positive ang sagot natin dito. Okay? So, ito yung factor niya, the squared of x plus 4. Let us have another example. So, we have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Okay? So, ulitin natin lang yung condition. Kailangan ang first and last term ay perfect square at ang middle term is twice the product of the first and the square root of the first and the last term or yung third term. So, eto, first and last term natin ay perfect square, correct? Then, yung middle term natin, square root ng 4x squared, that is 2x. Square root ng 25, that is 5, times 2, that is 2, times 2x, 4x, times 5, that is 20x. Okay? So, tama pa rin. So, therefore, ang given trinomial natin is a perfect square trinomial. Ang magiging final answer natin is the square root of 2x minus 5. Square root ng first term, that is 2x. Square root ng 25, that is 5. Copy the sign of the middle term, that is minus sign. Next. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. I am Ma'am Rovi Ann R. Frias. Keep safe and God bless.